First fish of the day on here. A watermelon red trickworm.
Off the bottom.
See if we can get him up. Come on. And boom. Hold up to the camera. Jesus. Alright. On a watermelon red trickworm. Ski?
Yeah, that ain't the one that we had.
He ain't the biggest out of this pond, but he's a fish. Right.
We caught another one. Sort of.
Oh, I had one.
He's a monster! Hurrah! Ski! Ain't he a pig? I torqued his mouth so hard.
Where'd you catch that off?
That, KVD.
I keep getting error messages.
One fluke.
Keep something
Monster 12 pounder. Too easy.
I hate that when you just take a picture and hit the photo
There's the
thing.
release.
Then it tells you don't have photos.
Alright, mudfish on.
We gotta kill him. Good lord, your paw's banana bended.
Yeah, buddy, you a
Hey,
dancing
don't stick your finger in his mouth.
world star. Alright, you can go ahead and cut it, because he's about to be dead.
Weigh him.
Let's wash him.
No,
As we walk over to a new fishing spot, I might as well tell you that the cameraman behind all this is Multi-RPG Dude, or Braden. Visit my channel and subscribe, watch my videos, and Austin H. Ashcraft is my cousin, that's why I'm doing the camera. So yeah.
Ma'am.
That was a slow day. And a fun day. That's going in a race montage. But,
I even know where my stuff went now.
Dude, you almost hooked Austin right in the face.
You didn't catch that on video, did you?
Yes, I did.
adios.